So how you doing? It's cold, it's windy, and we're gonna test this all. I'm not gonna stay out here long today. He's just a little bitter for my likings. It's definitely in the single digits. So, you know, I wanna get this done. So we're testing Tadsman saw to make sure it'll still run good in a cold day. Last time I tried this and it was struggling. It didn't have the ability to get enough fuel into it. She was running lean, didn't have any power or anything. So I made a metering lever adjustment and we're gonna see what happens here today. I hope I didn't take it too far. It's possible. So that's why we're here testing. You know what I mean? It's possible I took the metering lever a little too far. I don't know. I'm second guessing myself, I guess. So let's get this thing tested and get back in the warmth. Alrighty. It wouldn't four-stroke as I richening it up. Now it is. So let's give it a run and see if the torque's back. All right, so now we're going to try to do a comparison with a stock XL-76. I have not ran this song in a very long time, and I don't make any promises that it runs well. So we're gonna see what happens here. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, you know? So let's give it a try and hope everything works out, but I won't be surprised if it doesn't. Alrighty, let's see what happens. I'd say we're good to go. Just in these few minutes, I've only been out here for 15-20 minutes, and I'm already, my face is freezing up, hands can hardly move, they're turning red, you know. But just in these few minutes, I'm already freezing up myself. The wood is frozen, like it is straight up like a rock. So doesn't cut the greatest, you know what I mean? But let's get back inside and have a little discussion here. I really should have put my gloves on. I don't think I was outside for more than 15 minutes, and my hand is in excruciating pain right now from the cold. You know, you guys ever experienced that? Now, I'm pretty confident this saw's ready to go to Dyno Joe. I'd like to give it one more run. I'll try to do that yet today. But I'm pretty certain it's ready to go. I just don't know if I missed the window. I'll have to check with them to see. Maybe we can ship it out to them this week. I'm confident the saw's close enough that, you know, Dyno Joe, or if he runs into an issue, it might just because I have it too rich. And he knows what to do, you know, to clean it up. I'm testing in some extreme weather conditions right now, and it might be different where he lives, you know. So he's probably gonna have to do some tuning. And then Tadsman, he's on the whole other side of the country, so he might have to do a little tweaks. But I did adjust the metering lever. I got it a little bit further than I normally do. So hopefully it's not too much by the time it gets to Dyno Joe and Tadsman. Hopefully it comes out just right. But I'm pretty confident this all's ready to go. I just got to get a hold of Dyno Joe and find out what kind of window we're looking at, because I know he's headed on a trip and he's going to be gone for a while. So let me find out if we missed the window. If not, we'll work at getting this shipped out this week. And if we did, we'll just wait and send the next one. Now that wood was frozen like a rock. Could you tell? The saw just didn't want to, you know, the wood just didn't want to come off quite normal, you know. You remember hearing me on another video, frozen wood cuts weird? It does. You can't help it. It's different, you know. Not as fast, but that's all right. We're not here for maximum speed. We're here for a good time, right? Alrighty. So, hey, we'll catch you on the next one.